In this video, I will show you how to create threads on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is make sure you have got the Threads app. So to do this, you want to come across to Instagram, and what you want to do is click onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, go ahead and click the three lines in the top right hand corner, and you'll see the option for threads. So what you want to do is press onto that. And you can see at the bottom it says get threads. So what you want to do is go and click onto that, and you'll be able to go ahead and create your profile on Threads. So once you've got threads, what you're going to want to do is open the Threads app on your device, and to actually go ahead and create a thread on Instagram, all you want to do is come to the bottom, and in the middle you're going to want to click onto this icon down here. And then what you can do is simply go ahead and create your thread. So I'm just going to put, hey, how's it going? And what you can do is use that to add any pictures or videos to your thread. And at the very bottom, in the bottom left hand corner, it says anyone can reply. If you press onto this, you can choose who can reply to this. So either profiles you follow, mentions only, or the default setting, which is anyone. So once that's done, go ahead and click the post button in the bottom right hand corner, and that's going to go ahead and create a thread on Instagram Threads. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.